Hey guys, this is Desang Game YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about Samsung will be bidding farewell to its Note series and freeing space for Fold. So I highly doubt this rumor because this is a rumor from gischina.com, and I think so this has a point and also it has an off point, because Samsung Galaxy Note series is a wonderful series and I myself like it, and they also have a point that they are freeing space for the Fold. So let's get started with this. Many users have been complaining about the lack of innovation in smartphone in the recent years, but it is undeniable that there is some interesting changes. This year's change in the popularity of the so-called Super Cup models compared with the conventional flagship, the Super Cup, and more sophisticated technology. Of course, this has reflected in the price. Anyways, we should talk about the Super Cup models that did not appear suddenly this year. Let's say Samsung's Galaxy Note, released in 2011. It might be considered as a real veteran. It has large screen and more powerful features than its own flagship, the Galaxy S2 at that time. And that is why it was welcomed by millions of users immediately, and that's why as we hear this rumor that Samsung will discontinue this series. So, in 2020, after the full screen era, the screen size can no longer be used as a standard for distinguishing smartphone positioning. It is difficult for consumers to change the desire of a simple processor upgrade. Manufacturers must create more unique and scarce selling points in order to stand out from a sea of machines. Therefore, the focus is on imaging capabilities, perpetual lenses, 100x zoom, 100 megapixel cameras, and other parameters. But most suitable for these carrying cutting edge technologies is bound to be the Super Cup smartphone. Samsung's dual flagship strategy has also undergone subtle changes in this year. The S20 series in the first half of the year has an extra large S20 Ultra variant. Although its screen size is only 0.2 inches larger than the size of the S20 Plus, the battery capacity has been also upgraded to 5000 mAh battery. It has an exclusive 100 megapixel camera with 100x zoom, and also a starting price as high as $13,900. In contrast, the Note 20 Ultra in the second half of the year has shrunk. If you carefully compare these parameters, these both Super Cups, you will find that the Note 20 Ultra is inferior to the S20 Ultra in terms of camera specifications, battery capacity. Of course, its starting price is also lower than of S20 Ultra, but in addition, the overall specs is not good enough. It has a 60Hz screen and it has a plastic rear case. Such product of definition cannot hold up the identity of the Note series. At that time, Samsung's folding screen product line has also started betting in 2019. After a year of technical iteration, this year's Samsung Z Fold 2 5G and other models can be called out the most maturing folding smartphone at present. They have a mature and highly usable folding form. Performance, screen refresh rate, camera capabilities, and other aspects also are not too far away from conventional flagship products as we have right now. In addition to the production level, folding phones are also very helpful to Samsung in reshaping the high-end brand image, and this is what might Samsung care about. Since the Note 7 incident, Samsung has been in a slump and its public image in the hearts has gone down. The folding products in last 2 years have saved a lot of impressions. And thanks to Samsung's excellent marketing capabilities, Samsung's own folding phone smartphones have a better response and public opinion than the Note series. Therefore, it is not difficult to see that the Note series has unable to face the change in product definition. So there is also a question: what about the S Pen? If Samsung discontinues its Note series, what will the S Pen do? Where is it going to go? So let's answer this. The S Pen stylus is the gene of the Note series, although it is the product power of the Galaxy Note 20. The stylus is unique and differentiated experience. It has been revealed that the next year's S21 Ultra will support the S Pen stylus for the first time, but there is no storage hole for the body, and that is well understood because the current S20 Ultra hardware specifications are already better than the Note series. It's no less reasonable to let the support for S Pen on the next generation of products to create differentiated selling point. But what if Samsung wants to put the S Pen in the Z Fold 3 folding smartphone? Recently, some Korean media exposed that Samsung is developing UTG ultra thin glass and to cover its own S Pen support. This is also the key point where Samsung S Pen is applied to Z Fold 3 because the plastic screen of the early folding smartphone will cause scratches to the stylus. UTG not only has a smaller thickness but also has a stronger crease resistance. In addition, Samsung has also submitted a patent or drawing of the S Pen which shows that the S Pen can be stored on the right side of the folding screen for smartphone. From this point of view, although the Note has ended its essence, the S Pen has still retained. So let's wrap up this entire discussion. The smartphone industry is changing rapidly and there are not many products that can remain in a memory. Samsung Note is the product of worth our memory. It has not only the pioneer of this large screen of the screen size and the super large cups, but also a milestone development in the history of smartphones. Most likely we won't be able to see it next year, but we prefer to describe as a retirement after 10 generations of glory. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching. I really doubt if Samsung will discontinue its Note series because I especially like the Note series. And talking about foldable smartphones, as Samsung has already been creating it from 2019 and they are improving year by year. So let's see what happens. If they can form that ultra protection for their own display, then it would be good. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more updates, subscribe to Eastern Gaming, and we post daily tech videos. Thank you.